So you want to move to Las Vegas. What can you get for under $500,000? Well, a lot. This Inspirada home in Henderson, Nevada has an open floor plan that leads all the way to the kitchen. Here we find granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized island. Some great storage in the giant walk-in pantry around the corner, for sure. There are over 2,300 square feet of living space here, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. There's a bonus room that could easily be a den or an office space just inside the front door. Upstairs, you'll find a continuation of the open, spacious feel. The primary bedroom has dual sinks, a soaking tub and a shower, nice sized closet. There's also a nice little nook off the side of the door here in the primary bedroom. The home features an upstairs loft that is super versatile. And each of the upstairs bedrooms is 11 by 10. They share a second bathroom upstairs. Laundry is upstairs as well, and you know that's super helpful. Now off the kitchen, out the sliding glass door is a side yard with pavers, turf, and some desert landscaping. This home is near shopping, golf, the I-15, and about a 20-25 minute drive to the Strip. And all this for under $500,000.